today's video, I will be doing my April 2019 favorites. So I have all of them right here, and also I'll be sharing with you like TV series and also a movie that I've been loving this month of April. And if you want to know what they are, just keep on watching. So first, of course, I will start with my skincare, makeup favorites because I think that's what people love knowing more. So I'm gonna show you two of my skincare favorites, and these are the Some by Me. And I have their AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner, and also their Acne Miracle Acne Clear Foam. These are the two things I've been loving. In the morning, I use my Face Republic one, and then at night, this is what I use, the Some by Me one, and this is really nice. It smells so refreshing, smells so minty, and it's really cooling to the face. I really like this, and I feel like this really helps prevent my pimples. So recently, I had my period, so I kind of broke out a bit, and this actually prevented it. As in, walang lumabas na pimple. I could feel na there was something like, yung kapag palabas pa lang yung pimple, yung masakit siya. Pero like a few days, like 2 to 3 days of using this, hindi lumabas yung pimple. It's really nice. It really prevents my like acne or like my pimples. So this is really nice. And then also, this is my everyday toner. So in my last favorites video, I showed you the crystal white one. I use that like once or twice a week now kasi that's really harsh to my face. So that's why in that video, my previous favorites video, I told you na it's really like really harsh to the face. So hindi ko siya ginagamit every day. But this one is something I use every day, and I feel like talagang kailangan mag-toner every day. And you have to use something that's really light on the face, yung something that really cleanses your face but isn't like too mahapdi sa face. So this is like the perfect one. Since I've been using this, I haven't been breaking out. Nandito pa din yung pimple ko from before, but wala nang lumalabas na iba pa. So these are really nice, and thank you so much to Some by Me for sending these products. I really am happy that I was able to try them out, and I'm so happy that I really love them, and I've used them for the whole month of April, and ang dami pa ring laman. An eyelash curler from Miniso, and I want to mention this because I've tried eyelash curlers from other brands, like cheap brands. I've tried the one in Nichido and also the one in SM, like sa Watsons, and this is my favorite. This is 99 pesos and super sulit niya, and it really makes my lashes curled. I also like the one in Nichido, but I haven't repurchased that. But so far, I have been really loving this. And the one in Watsons, kaya ko to nilagay dito kasi nung tinry ko yung sa Watsons, hindi ko siya nagustuhan compared to this. So I'm saying this is my favorite compared to that. Next is the Bevelled, or I forgot, yun ba yun? Yung Bevelled Air Blender Sponge from Acne. This is really nice. I've been using this together with the products I will be showing you, and it's just really nice. I don't know, it's like a normal sponge, and I really love this because it's accessible. Sadly, it is sold out. This is 288, and it is one of the most affordable sponges. So, super ganda niya. And I hope they come out soon with another one because I will definitely repurchase this as a backup. And this is like my favorite, the black one instead of the pink one. But I also use the pink one because you saw that in my makeup bag. Pero ito yung ginagamit ko for when I actually do my makeup in my vanity. Let's go on to makeup favorites. First, I have the Truth Cosmetics skin tint. This is really, really nice. When I filmed the video, I said it wasn't really like the best. But now that I've used this like multiple times, I really love it, surprisingly. I mainly like this because it evens out my skin tone. So you can see na my face is evened out. If you're a beginner, you'd like this because again, it's lightweight. It just evens out the skin tone. It doesn't have much coverage, but it's really nice. I think this would be comparable to the BB cream from what do you call this, from BLK. I haven't tried that, but based on how people describe it, I feel like it's like this kasi nga skin tint. So yeah, if you want like a really nice base, like a really nice light foundation, this would be really nice for you. Lastly is a concealer, and this one I've loved for so long, maybe like for this year, but hindi ko siya na-mention sa favorites ko kasi nga from my previous favorites, I've been saying that I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup, but recently I have been, and a really nice concealer is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and a lot of people rave about this, like Tati, many Filipino YouTubers, international YouTubers rave about this, and this is really, really nice. This is again better than the Fit Me one. I rarely use the Fit Me one, only when I want something that's really light coverage. But this one kasi, sometimes I don't even use my skin tint, I don't use foundation, and this is what I use instead. Like, sobrang ganda talaga niya for my under eyes. This really covers up a lot compared to other concealers I've tried, and it's really affordable. It's $3.99. And I'm not really a fan of the applicator because it's so unhygienic, but I don't know. Maganda naman kasi yung pagka-apply niya. Whenever I use it, like, the product comes out evenly, like, basta enough product para yung napupunta sa under eyes ko. Those are all my beauty favorites, but now I just want to mention some things I recommend you to watch because I've been loving them. And I'm not gonna go much into detail, maybe just read about them. Of course, first is Avengers Endgame. It's really, really nice. It's really sad. I cried. I don't want to spoil it, but I'm so sad. It's the last Avengers movie. Then for TV series, I recently subscribed to Netflix, and I am using my own money for Netflix. And I have been loving 3 shows. So first show that I binged watched when I got my Netflix account was Dynasty. I always keep seeing it in my YouTube ads. So sabi ko, why not try it? The first few episodes I found boring. I don't want to start something and not end it. So pinanood ko pa rin siya, and like a few episodes in, like maybe like episode 4 or 5, that's when like I couldn't even stop watching it. So hard to explain, pero ang daming plot twist or ang daming nangyayari sa life nila, and it's just a really nice show. Next one is Umbrella Academy. I'm watching it with Anton, and we also really like it. It's about kids, 7 kids, and they're superheroes, parang ganon, and then something happens, like their dad dies, and finding out how he died. So like when they grew up, naghiwalay sila yung magkakapatid, and then like the dad dying brought them all back together, and then yun, basta it's like a mystery show again. So mostly that's what I'm into, like mystery or like drama, mga ganon. I don't know how to explain shows, but the Umbrella Academy is really nice. And then lastly, my all-time favorite from the 3 I've been watching is the Vampire Diaries, and I'm so surprised that it's something I really, really like, because I've always heard about that show, and I really didn't like the idea of vampires because sabi ko, it's so unlikely to happen, so I'm not gonna watch it. But then my friend kept telling me, well, you should watch it, it's really nice. So I watched it since I do have a Netflix account now, and sobrang ganda niya pala. I really, really like the show. I'm a team Stefan, so tell me down below if you're team Stefan or Damon. Pero almost all of the people I know are team Stefan, but it's really nice. I don't know how to describe it kasi I feel like I'm gonna spoil it kasi every season, I'm in season 6 right now. I haven't even finished it. I think I'm in season 6 episode 5. To be honest, I really like the first 3 seasons, and then like the problem just keeps on adding or like changing, and it's like, what's gonna happen next? I don't even know. Sometimes it's predictable, sometimes it's like Of course, it's not gonna be solved because, of course, they have another season. So, yun. I think it was better to watch it when it was just new. Parang inaabangan mo talaga. Is there another season? Is there another season? Kasi for me, like, I know there's 8 seasons, so know na something's bad gonna happen. Kaya, meron pang next season. So, you know what I mean. Basta it's really nice. Basically, that's all of my favorites. I don't know. I'm not really good at explaining things, but I hope you try all the products out, or if you have Netflix or if you have other different sites to watch things on, or if you're looking for something to watch this summer, please try them and let me know down below if you like those shows, or if you've already watched it, or if you're already caught up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what else you want to see from my channel, and also like maybe shows that you want to suggest for me to watch. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!